Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today I'll be learning how to turn on data saving mode in YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on data saving mode on YouTube, first open up a YouTube app on your phone and you land on this interface, whereas at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a U button available for us just beside the subscriptions. Tap on the U button at the bottom right and you land on this interface, and on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's the settings or a gear icon available for us at the top right corner. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and you land on this interface where you can see the third option where it says the data saving, guys. Now let's tap on that and you land over here, whereas the first option you can see there it says data saving mode. And now in order to turn on that data saving mode in YouTube, make sure the toggle icon at the right side of that option is turned on like this, and then you will have turned on your data saving mode in YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.